Hey Martians! Welcome again to another video. And marami sa inyo ang nagtatanong kung ano ba yung tinitake kong whitening supplement recently. Before anything else, tinake ko tong supplement na to. Nag-stop ako ng 2 months from taking other supplements kasi as you all know, may mga ibang brands na akong na-review ng glutathione. So, to make sure na makikita ko yung difference, minsan nag-i-stop ako ng 1 or minsan 2 months. With this particular brand, 2 months po akong nag-stop ng glutathione and nanggaling pa kami sa Boracay the day before ko to tinake. I'm gonna post a picture nung araw bago ko siya tinake. So you can compare the difference between this picture and kung anong itsura ko ngayon. So anyway, ano nga ba tong brand na to? This is the Star White Glutasure Food Supplement. So, each bottle has 60 capsules na, which is pretty good kasi mostly mga 30 caps lang ganyan. So, this one has 60 capsules. And this is only 1,200 pesos. Sobrang affordable. Free shipping pa. O, saan ka pa, diba? You get 60 capsules sa isang bottle and free shipping pa, 1,2 lang. And this is available sa Angel's Boutique. I'll have the Facebook page of Angel's Boutique sa description box so you can check them out. Naka-focus pa ako. There. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong itsura ng product. Ayan. Once you open it, syempre may seal siya. Pinatong ko lang yan. Hindi ko muna tinapon. Pero halos ubos na siya, oh. Konti na lang yung laman. Kasi nga, I've been taking this for more than a month. Almost 2 months na. And nasa white capsule lang siya. Just like any other or most of the other glutathiones. Yan. White capsule. What I do is I take this 30 minutes before a meal sa umaga. You're supposed to take it with vitamin C, pero for me, hindi na. Kasi mula nung nag-acidic ako, medyo umiiwas ako sa vitamin C. Although you can take sodium ascorbate with it if you're acidic too. Pero kasi, for me, enough naman na siya eh. Kasi each capsule has, babasahin ko lang sa inyo ha, pure glutathione may 150 mg, collagen 100 mg, vitamin C or sodium ascorbate 80 mg, alpha-lipoic acid 59 mg, NAC or N-acetylcysteine 50 mg, rosehip extract 50 mg, vitamin E 10 mg, and hyaluronic acid 1 mg. Yun. And what's great about this product is it's FDA approved. There. And ano rin siya, GMP certified and halal certified. So, ang total pala ng isang capsule is 500 mg. Yung mga binasa ko kanina. Yung total. And ano bang na-experience ko while taking this product? Personally, medyo nabagalan ako sa results. Kasi parang with other brands, in as early as 3 weeks, nakikita ko na agad yung result niya sa akin. Siguro because of high dosage. Kasi ito, like I said, meron lang siyang 150 mg ng glutathione, pure glutathione. And then may NAC din siya, which is 50 mg. Unlike with other brands na yung gluta talaga, 500, minsan 1,000 mg ba ata. Depende sa brand. Pero mostly 500 mg, diba? Ito, 500 mg siya, total na. Yun. Pero yung gluta niya talaga is only 150 and NAC is 50. Ano ba yung NAC? NAC, instructs our body to produce our own glutathione. So, isa pa yung sa gusto ko dito, may gluta na siya, meron pa siyang NAC. So, isasabihin niya sa body natin na mag-produce ng sariling glutathione. So, it's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. And meron pa siyang collagen. So, anti-aging din siya. This is, by the way, an all-in-one capsule na supplement pala. You get antioxidant. It has, sorry, my dogs are barking. It has, wait lang. Sabi ko nga, this is an all-in-one supplement. You get an antioxidant, immune booster, anti-aging, detoxifier, skin whitening. Kasi meron siyang collagen, may gluta, and many more. Yung mga pinagsasabi ko kanina. So, talagang sulit siya sa akin. Ang pinaka parang reklamo ko lang is yun nga, medyo mabagal makita yung result. You have to be patient and maghintay kayo kasi ano nga siya, medyo mababa yung dosage. What you can do kung naiinip kayo is maybe take this twice a day. Yun. So, if you take this twice a day, magiging good for 1 month lang yung isang bottle. Pero at least maging much faster yung result. And I recommend, if magto-twice a day kayo, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Huwag yung sabay. Kasi, mas naging effective daw yung gluta if you take it 3 times a day in small dosage. So, in this case, if you want to take it twice a day, since small yung dosage niya, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. So, yun lang naman yung pinaka-reklamo ko sa kanya. And, marami namang nakapansin na friends ko na maputi daw ako ngayon. And, yung isa sabi, blooming ba ako? Blooming daw ako. Kasi nga siguro dahil sa anti-aging, can you guys agree na blooming daw ako ngayon? So, let's compare that with this picture and yung itsura ko ngayon. So, kayo na magiging judge. Pero for me, yeah, I love it. Will I recommend it? Yes, definitely. I'm gonna add this to my March Essentials list. When you say March Essentials list, ibig sabihin, it's a necessity. You need to have it. Yan. So, yun lang. Again, if you guys are interested, this is 1,200 pesos. 60 capsules na siya. Free shipping. Available at Angel's Boutique. I'll have the link in the description box. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you again next time. Bye!